In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task template in Asana on a PC. Start by opening your web browser on your computer and heading to asana.com. Click Login and sign into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want this template to live. This should be the project where you'll repeatedly use the task, so pick the one your team already uses for this type of work. Inside the project, look for the option to add a new task. Click Add Task, then type a clear descriptive task name, like Weekly Report. Using a consistent name makes it easy to find later. Press Enter to create the task. Next, open the task you just created by clicking on it. This brings up the Details pane where you'll set up the schedule. Click Due Date to set when this task should happen. In that same area, click Set to Repeat. Choose how often you want the task to repeat: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, depending on your workflow. Weekly is a great choice for recurring reports, while custom is helpful if you need something like every other week. After choosing the frequency that fits, click Done to confirm your settings. If you want to make sure it's assigned to the right person, click Assignee and select yourself or a teammate. This part is optional, but it helps ensure accountability from the start. Now to save this as a template you can reuse in the future, stay in the Tasks Detail view and click the three dots in the top right corner of the task. Select Duplicate Task. You'll see options to include subtasks and include assignee. Turn these on if you've already built out subtasks or if you want the assignee to carry over automatically. Then click Create New Task. This creates a clean copy that mirrors your setup, ready to be used whenever you need it again. From now on, you can treat this copied task as your recurring template. Each time you need a fresh instance, duplicate it again from the three dots menu and you'll keep the same structure and repeat settings without rebuilding anything. This saves time and keeps your process consistent across your project. That's it. Open Asana, create your task, set it to repeat, assign it if needed, and duplicate it to form a reusable template. Follow these steps once and you'll streamline recurring work for good.